Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of The Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, everybody? Back again for another unboxing and setup video. Guess what? My tank stand. I finally have my tank stand. It's actually not the one that I ordered. For some reason, the company canceled. It was supposed to be delivered like yesterday, and they canceled it on the day they were supposed to deliver it. Some kind of shiesty stuff going on. It was already paid for, but they canceled it the day that was supposed to be delivered. So you know I did my thing. I'm gonna get my refund back because I ordered it through PayPal, so they real great. But we went out and just bought a stand. We didn't want to pay. We paid a little more than the other one, but we got what we wanted. So this is what we got today. Check this out, you guys. We got the Imagitarium 29-gallon wood tape stand. This is how it's gonna look. I'm about to put it together now. You know, I'm gonna do my fast mode montage. You know, I ain't gonna bore y'all with all the put together. It's gonna go real fast. A beautiful way to showcase your aquarium or terrarium. It's a solid construction for added durability, adjustable shelf for convenient storage, moisture resistant, hardware stain finish. And that's how it's gonna look. Let's unbox it real quick and take out all the pieces. Make sure we got what we're supposed to have, and then we're gonna put this baby together. We got the back right here, but and you guys know I'm famous for cutting something, so I'm gonna try to be real easy so that I don't scratch the table. So let's start real easy. Turn it over. This. I hope they put letters on it. I hate when you get something like this and they don't have it, you know, leather coated, so you'll know what's what. Let's get all this out. Oh, yep, I see letters. I see letters. I see letters. So once you take this out, that's the back piece right there. That's the back piece. You know that piece goes on the back. You know that. And here's the door. And you guys see right there? See how it's got the letters right here. So this is the door. Look what kind of wood it is. This is nice. I like that. I made a perfect pick. It looked like cherry. Look almost like cherry wood. And cherry stuff, matter of fact. I like it. It's not too many small pieces. See, these all are pretty good sizes of wood, so that's good. I don't have to deal with too much small stuff, so that should make it quicker to put together. We got another piece here, another good size piece. So yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, they really have this thing. Oh, this is the legs. See how that is? That's gonna be the legs right there. Alright, I ain't gonna bore y'all with all of this. Let's put this baby together. Alright, you guys, I got the cabinet together. The only thing I gotta do is put the little back piece on, but the cabinet is together. Look how solid it is there. We got the doors open like so. Open that. I just got it on the table, that's why it's not level. I gotta put it on the floor. All I gotta do is just put the back piece in, and then I put the shelf up here, and then this baby is done. All right, you guys, here's the final setup right here. We got the shelf in there now. You can see the shelves in there. Plenty of room around the edges and everything. To close the doors up here, just like that. Plenty of room around the edges right here. So you got plenty of room, nice and solid, ready to go. And like I said, we got the glue, so they overlapped it with glue, so that's good. Make sure there's no issues with the tank. And get this baby ready. All right, you guys, as you can see, I have the stand on it, 29-gallon high. Look at the edges. So there, you got plenty of room around the edges of the tank there. So it fits on there real nicely, right there. Nice lip. There's the tank. Hey, if you watched my previous video, I went through the whole unboxing of all these materials right here. Make sure you watch that video. My 29-gallon aquarium setup unboxing. I'll show you about all these things. But make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because on the next video, I will be setting up my tank. That will be my tank setup video. But there you go. This is how it will look right there. And I'm gonna have it all set up and have the fishes in there, be good to go. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Make sure you definitely put on your post notifications so you can get the next video, because we're gonna keep this show rolling, baby. Fish World, I'm the good. Hey, see y'all in the next one.